Hello everyone, and welcome to Galaxy 89 Cars. Today, I'm bringing you an exterior and interior overview and hill climb video of this one-of-one 2019 Ferrari P80C from the 2019 Goodwood Festival of Speed. The P80/C is a one-off collaboration between a single customer and Ferrari that started in 2015 and is now known to be the longest bespoke project in Ferrari history. It is built entirely from carbon fibre and takes its aesthetic inspiration from the likes of the 330 P3 P4, Dino 206S and 250 LM, and has been designed with a cab-forward emphasis. However, unlike many other Ferrari bespoke projects, the P80/C is a track-only car, with its basis found in the 488 GT3. It is powered by the rear mid-mounted 3.9-litre twin-turbo V8 that produces around 600 brake horsepower and 700 Nm of torque that's found in the 488 GT3. However, official performance figures haven't been released. It comes with both 18-inch centre-locking race-spec wheels seen here, or 21-inch display wheels. The P80C is longer than the 488 by 50mm, which enabled the designers more creative freedom. At the front, we find a new extended carbon splitter with very slim redesigned lights above. The bonnet features an S-duct structure, such as that seen in the new Pista, with additional venting on either side, potentially for brake cooling. Moving back, we find louvres over the front wheel arches and additional winglets below. Running back from these, we find carbon side skirts that extend outward and kick up to form winglets. And above, dual-layer air intakes for the engine and rear brakes. Moving up, we find an F1-style T-wing that can help generate further downforce and assist the main wing by smoothing airflow. The large, fixed wing behind has a smaller, body-moulded wing beneath it, with two LED brake light complexes on either side. With the new diffuser below, the P80C is said to be 5% more efficient than the 488 GT3. Moving inside, we find an interior that is similar to the 488 GT3, but with redesigned dash layouts and new carbon fibre panels. We also find a roll cage, full racing seats and racing harnesses. So that concludes my exterior and interior overview of the 2019 Ferrari P80C. Please subscribe for all the latest content, and until next time, thanks for watching.